checking your data usage on Windows, I want to show you how you do that. It's very easy. You just go to Settings, Windows Settings, and Network and Internet, and it tells me right here that my data usage in the last 30 days was 40.8 gigabytes. Not much, really, but most of our work is done on Jim's computer, so there's that then. And then on the phone, data usage on a cell phone, I'm going to show you on my Android, because it tracks both cellular and Wi-Fi, and it's Wi-Fi that I'm concerned with. So you go into Settings, Connections, and Data Usage. And like I say, what's really nice is it tracks mobile data from my eSIM, 64 megabytes in the last month, and then Wi-Fi data usage, 60 gigabytes. So between my phone and my computer, that means I've used about 100 gigabytes of the ship's Wi-Fi in the last month. The iPhone, I can't find any place where it tracks Wi-Fi usage, just the cellular. That's under Settings and Cellular, and scroll down and you'll see the usage.